Alexamaster.
Hi guys, I want to introduce with you the new interface of Alexamaster website. I am going to log in and show you guys more about it. As you can see here, when you just log in successfully, we have daily bonus. So remember to select it. On the first toolbar, we will have dashboard, which we will explore it later. Next to it is buy now. If you have any demand to buy any services such as web traffic, video views, freelancer services, point and VIP, just click here. Move on to work now. You can work directly on our website, writing blog, selling online, or finding some other small jobs. Here is the theme of dashboard. Alexamaster has various features for users, so you can add new website, videos, advertisement, short URL, blog page, or job offer here. And you can see it more clearly over down here. Moreover, you are able to manage your websites, videos, apps, short URLs, blogs, job offer easily with Alexamaster. User can also earn more points with Assistive, vote website, watching video, join small jobs, promote this website, and daily bonus. Here is the marketplace. You can add your services or get to know our services, purchasing professional freelancer to work for your projects remotely. This is a community, so we also can connect together, collecting gifts and donation from your friends. And if you want to find more friends, click public profile button here. This is the message window and notification window. If you need help or have any questions, you can find the contact here.
Alexamaster.